High-end visuals always come from precise spacing and intentional frame placement. Today, how to design premium frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert multiple frames in a structured yet slightly asymmetrical layout. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for harmony. Select the background and apply a premium gradient or muted palette. Slightly overlap one frame to introduce depth while keeping the layout controlled. Add subtle shadows or overlays to enhance realism. Use position tools to align everything while preserving creative spacing. Add minimal text using a clean modern font. This premium